Hey guys, and welcome to CryptoSimplified. This week is going to be about NFTs.
What is an NFT?
An NFT, or a non-fungible token, is a provably unique digital asset on one of any of the acceptable blockchains. The simplest way to explain how they work is, if you had the Mona Lisa, any copy or replication of the Mona Lisa, even by Da Vinci himself, would not be the Mona Lisa. It would be a duplicate or a copy of it. The non-fungible part of NFT means that once an asset has been minted, there is no way to mint the exact same asset again. Some change would have to be made to it, and therefore it would be provable as not the original.
How do they work?
NFTs are just like a currency on a blockchain, except with a little bit more information, which is the asset itself. Most NFTs can be found on Ethereum, but other chains are starting to implement them, such as Tron or BSC.
Can't you just copy and paste an NFT?
The short answer is yes. It's a digital asset at the end of the day, and you can just copy and paste it. But if I was to take the Mona Lisa and print it out onto a canvas, does that now mean that I own the Mona Lisa? No, I just own a copy of it. The strength of NFTs is the fact that you can prove the ownership of the underlying digital asset, the strength of which isn't necessarily best demonstrated with art. For example, you could mint an NFT that allows you to, instead of giving out your wallet address of hexadecimal string, you could give out, for example, spragtalksmoney.eth as your receiving payment address. Another use is title deeds, where the ownership could be provably traced back through a chain, and any duplicates would be easily found as being false. And finally, academic credentials, which hold more merit if they were provably valid. And you could trace the chain from the issuing college or university to the recipient.
How do I create an NFT?
There are various different marketplaces you can use to create or mint an NFT. Some of these will require a sign up and potentially waiting in an invite-only queue. Some others, like OpenSea, are open to registration and don't cost anything to mint an NFT. However, you will pay a portion of the sale back to them if it's sold.
Why is there so much pushback from artists?
While one of the ideas behind NFTs was to give the power for artists and creators to sell their content to other people, it's actually turned out that it's now facilitating art theft. For example, I could go online and find a picture from an artist I like, and if it has not yet been minted, I could mint it as my own. I now own the underlying digital asset, and there's nothing that artist can do to take it from me, as it's now under my possession on the blockchain. The only way that the artist could then receive any money from their creation is to alter the original in some way and republish it and remint it as a new version of the piece. Obviously, this raises a lot of questions when it comes to copyright. If I have minted an artist's work and I now sell it to someone else, does the original artist still retain any copyright hold over that piece of art, or does it now belong to the person who purchased the digital asset that was not mine to sell in the first place? This is why there's been so much pushback from the artists, because there's no way to prove that the person minting an NFT is actually the original creator of it and not just an art thief.
Is it a bubble?
It is widely accepted that NFTs are in fact a bubble, but similar to the .com bubble, there is definite value behind all of the hype and craze. Unfortunately, it's a lot more mundane than $69 million art. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Crypto Simplified. If there's any questions you want me to answer in the next video, please leave them down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and a subscribe. Thanks, bye.